Are you tired of a cluttered kitchen? Hey guys, it's Vanessa. Welcome back. And today I'm going to talk about 10 ways that you can declutter and organize your kitchen to transform your kitchen to make it look stunning on a budget. You'll be more efficient, you'll save more time if everything in your kitchen have its own space. I will give you some tips on how to do it. If you have a small space, I'm going to tackle under the sink. I'm excited to show you how, because that's actually a very neglected area. I almost never think about it, but now it looks amazing. I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes before I tackle it, because it's not always easy to keep it perfect at all times. Hopefully it will motivate you to tackle your own kitchen or Airbnb, or just sit back and watch me tackle this chaos. Hey Vicky, do you want to check out my rack?
What? What do you want?
Yeah, come on. I'll show you my rack.
Oh, wow. That's very organized. I love it.
If you love your spices as much as I do, make sure to keep it always in a glass jar. If your spice jars also all have like different lids, I would just swap out the lids. You don't have to decant them again. So I bought from Amazon these bamboo lids that they look so good.
It costs much less than replacing everything. You don't have to waste time changing the jars, and it gives a stylish uniform look. Instead of keeping my spices in the pantry, it's a lot easier for me to reach for my spices while I am cooking if it's next to my stove, so I'll use these clear acrylic racks to organize them. I don't know why, but I find organizing and unboxing kitchen stuff very satisfying. Am I getting old? How do you guys like it? Comment below.
I don't believe in decanting every single thing, but I will decant things that will make it more convenient or keep it more fresh in a tight jar container, or if it's in a plastic or more convenient, because some packagings are not convenient to pull out and pull in. I picked up some from a thrift store. Baskets are great for organizing your snacks and whatever else pantry. And these are good for like baking sheets and lids.
It's perfect also for organizing cutting boards. It's very light, so it's easy to move around and holds pretty good amount for just $6 as of right now. Keep in mind, prices do fluctuate. I will have my Amazon storefront link in the description box for you. For heavier pans, I use a different organizer that is more stable and made of metal. I love these pans organizers. They stayed neat and organized the whole time. The only thing in the kitchen that still looked perfectly organized.
Lazy Susans are a must. I love them. I found some on my trip to Costa Rica, and I love displaying them on my kitchen table because it reminds me of my vacation. That still makes me smile. So for my pantry, I just use my simple Lazy Susans.
Now this is the thing you all been waiting for. This is probably the first time that I am going to have this under the sink cabinet organized, and I find it so satisfying. These 2-tier racks are very affordable and makes a big difference. I'm pretty into the bamboo aesthetics of the kitchen organizers. I think they look so chic. They do come in different colors. I will consolidate my utensils and knives with these organizers in my drawer so I have more counter space in my kitchen. Pull-out cabinet organizers are great for deep cabinets. That way I can see all my pots and pans or pantry jars. I will be installing it on the bottom of my pantry so it's easier for me to get into my jars. It's renter friendly. It comes with a very strong adhesive tape.
If you guys like this video, make sure to check out this video where I talk about all my favorite kitchen gadgets, or this video where I talk about how to renovate your Airbnb on a budget. See you next time.